Hi, welcome to NYP Music Theory. Have you heard of whole tone scale? What is it? How to write it and how to identify it? In this video, I'll demonstrate according to the Trinity Music Theory Grade 7 Workbook, page 7. Let's dive in. A whole tone scale is made up of 6 notes, and each note's distance is a whole tone. Whole tone means 2 semitones. So start from C. C to D is a whole tone. We can look at the keyboard here. C to D is a whole tone. Then D to E, another whole tone. E has to go to F sharp to make it a whole tone. Then F sharp goes to G sharp goes to A sharp. Then we will repeat the first note C. We don't use the B because this will be the 7th note and it is not included in the whole tone scale. If we transpose this whole tone scale to D, then the first note will start with D, then go to E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp. And when we finish the B sharp, actually it's the same as the C note. But according to the rule, we will use the letter names in order. So this one we write B sharp, and after that we repeat the first note D. The next one is whole tone scale starting on E. We can check the interval between 2 notes. E to F sharp to G sharp to A sharp to B sharp. When we have the B sharp on the piano, it is the same as a C. So the next note will be a D. But since we have to use the letter names in order, after the B, it should be a C. So this means we have to use an harmonic equivalent note. So this D is equivalent to C double sharp. Then after that, we write the last note, repeat the first note, an octave higher. Look at this number 4. Fill in necessary accidentals to make the following a whole tone scale starting on E flat. So if we check the distance between 2 notes, E flat to F, it's a whole tone. F to G, whole tone. G to A, whole tone. A to B, also a whole tone. But then the next one, we have to take note. We have to add this C sharp. Otherwise, B to C originally is just a half step or semitone. So we need to add C sharp. After that, we finish with the E flat, an octave higher than the first note. Look at number 5, the whole tone scale starting on F ascending. So again, we check the intervals between these 2 notes, F to G, G to A to B, and B has to go up to C sharp to make it a whole tone. Then C sharp goes to D sharp. Sometimes the question will ask us to do a descending order. So whole tone scale starting on F descending. Again, the first note and the last note will be an octave apart. We can do reverse. So F to G, G to A to B, all are whole tones. Then B to C sharp to D sharp. If we work backwards, it will be easily for us to check. Otherwise, this F, you will go down to E very easily, but it is incorrect. Number 7 is a whole tone scale starting on D ascending and descending. But we have to do some rhythm to fit the given time signature, and use rests between some degrees of the scale, and use the correct spelling. Look at the time signature given. It is a 5/8 time, and it says 2, 3. That is the grouping of notes. So it means that 2 quavers in a group, and then 3 quavers in a group. So we write the D ascending and descending. Double check with the accidentals. D to E, E to F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp. Then finish with the 6 notes, then add the top note, 1 octave higher than the original, then go descending. But make sure we have some rhythm to fit the time signature, and also insert rests, since the word rests is in plural numbers. So we suggest that students will add more than 1 rest. Question number 8. Sometimes the question will ask us to name the scale. Maybe it's a major scale or minor scale or other modes. So what we have to do is to write out all the letter names in order and then rearrange it, then check the intervals. So since this is like a scale, we work on the highest note and the lowest note. They are the same. That is an octave apart. A flat, A flat. Then we work on step by step, see whether they are a whole tone apart. A flat to B flat, whole tone, B flat to C, whole tone, C to D, whole tone, D to E, whole tone, and E to F sharp, whole tone. Then we finish the sixth note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last note is the same as the first note. And then reverse, when it goes ascending, they are the same. So we can make a conclusion that this is a whole tone scale, starting on A flat. So in this video, we have looked into whole tone scales. There are 6 notes in the scale, and each note is a whole tone apart. The whole tone scale can start on any note like a transposition, but just make sure to check the intervals are a whole tone apart. Thanks for watching. If you find the video helpful, please like, share, and comment below. See you next time.